So that is the nucleus. So the other point is that it controls the nucleus controls all cell activities, all activities of the cell. Then also it is round and surrounded by two membranes which together form the nuclear membrane. Then we have not nuclear membrane has nuclear pores to allow nucleus material to pass through. Then the other point is that it contains chromosomes and nucleolus. Then what are chromosomes? Chromosomes are made up of chemical DNA, which provides information for the formation of proteins in cells. The other point we have on the nucleus is the issue of nucleolus. Okay, I'm sure we have read here where we are told that it contains these two which are known as the 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 chromosomes and these are the nucleolus. So under the nucleolus now, it is the spherical structure involved in cell division. I'm sure we have it here. This one, the structure which is inside there at that point of the nucleus, the nucleolus. Then we have the chromosome there. So that is the nucleolus. It produces RNA, which takes information from the DNA out of the nucleus to make proteins in cytoplasm. That is what the nucleus is all about under the parts of the cell and their functions. We have the other part which is known as the centrioles. These are paired cylindrical organelle near the nucleus, composed of 9 tubes, each with three tubules, which also involves in cellular division. The nucleus, it is involved in cellular divisions, which is this is a paired cylindrical organelles near the nucleus. We have the other part which is known as the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm part of the cells. Cytoplasms are made up of 75% of water and also 25% of structures. Structures can be inclusions or organelles. So inclusions of those structures as the substances that are stored temporarily in the cell, which includes the fat, globules, and the starch grains. Then organelles, permanent structures that are important for life of the cell. It helps to carry out all its activities. Then they make useful substances that can be exported to other cells. That is the function of cytoplasm. They they are made up of 75 water and also 25% of structure. The structures which are four, which forms cytoplasm, are in two categories, which we have the inclusions as well as the organelles. For the inclusions, we are saying these are substances that are stored temporarily in the cell, which includes the fat, globules, and the starch grains. Okay, then we have also the organelles, which are permanent structure that are important for life of the cell. They also help to carry out all its activities. They make useful substances that can be exported to other cells. We have the other part which is known as the mitochondria. The other part which is known as the mitochondrion. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. It generates energy that is needed to keep the cell's essential living processes going. It is the powerhouse. You know what we mean by powerhouse? I'm sure we have heard of a powerhouse. A powerhouse, if you see here that this is a powerhouse, meaning the entire building, it depends on that. Without that powerhouse, the building, the function of the building may be affected. So in short, it is it generates energy that is needed to keep the cell's essential living process going on.